Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to change region on PS5. So let's get started. First, go to Settings on your PS5, then select Users and Accounts. Wait for the Account tab to fully load. This usually takes about 30 seconds. Next, scroll down and tap on Address. Here you can change the state, city, and postal code. The list of states is preset, so select one from the available options. Keep in mind, different states may have different tax implications. However, Sony does not allow users to change the country of their PSN account directly. If you've moved to another country, you have two options. One, continue using the same account. This is allowed, just make sure your credit card matches the country linked to your account. For example, you cannot use a UK card on a US account. 2, create a new PSN account using your new country. You can still game share and play your games on your main account. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.